Stop by and take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.